If you want to start investing but you don't know which broker platform to choose, then this is the video for you, because in this video we're going to be reviewing the DEGIRO trading platform. Let's go. So guys, welcome back to Inside Investing, and as you know, we are here for you, for the beginning investors. So if you also just started investing, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, of course, if you haven't done so already, because we give you all of the tips and tricks you need to start investing. In today's video, we are going to be giving you a review of the trading platform DEGIRO, which we've been using for quite a while now. We're going to be using a 3-star rating system, and we're going to be doing that on a couple of different aspects. Those are going to be the costs of the platform, the ease of use, and the reporting functionalities. And then, of course, eventually our overall review, our overall opinion to you, to the starting investors, should you consider using the DEGIRO. So let's directly dive into the first topic, which is going to be the costs of the DEGIRO trading platform. It's actually free to start your investing account at the DEGIRO, which of course is very nice. And also they have a commission-free ETF list. That's a specific list of ETFs that you can buy each and every month. You can buy each ETF once per month, and that's going to be free of charge. So there's not going to be any commission. We've been doing that for quite a while now, and we must say that works great. Overall, the average commissions that they do take, in case you're buying, let's say, some specific separate shares, let's say Heineken, as you can see on the screen, or Adyen, or Tesla, or Apple, whatever. If you buy, let's say, an Apple share, the commissions are also still considerable low, especially for us, because we are long-term investors, so we don't really do the day trading. We don't have that much transactions going back and forth, but overall we would give this a 3 out of the 3 stars. We think that the cost of the DEGIRO are great. It's very good value for money, especially for a long-term investor. Then the second point that we want to cover, so how easy do we think it is to use the DEGIRO as a trading platform? We must say it's actually quite effortless. The platform has been very great. Everything works very easy. If you're a beginner, we were also beginners a couple of years ago, and for us it was really easy to understand the platform, easy to understand the different functionalities. So that overall is very straightforward. Of course, on our YouTube channel as well, you can find different videos on specific functionalities. So let's say how to buy an S&P 500 share or how to deposit money. So please have a look at our channel if you have any specific functionalities that you want to see. Overall, we do think the ease of use is quite effortless. Depositing money is easy. It's easy to understand for a beginning investor. We can also show you quickly a few different functionalities in the platform itself. So here we have the current open markets. As you see, we have some winners and losers. The latest news in specific countries, you can select right there. We have our favorites. So currently there's 3 different favorites that we have in our list. Now we of course have our own little portfolio here, as you see. And then we have some information on our inbox, and also some specific, I would say, reporting functionalities that they have as well. Overall, I would say out of the ease of use, we would give it 2 out of the 3 stars. And then we're going to the next part, which is going to be the reporting functionalities, which is honestly where we do think the DEGIRO is lacking a little bit. For example, one of the things that's not possible to really use within the DEGIRO is to see how the value of your overall portfolio has developed over time. So it's only possible to see the current value of your portfolio, but not really the value of, let's say, the 1st of December or the 1st of January, which we think is really a lacking point in the DEGIRO. So we can look, for example, at the transactions. So here we can see, luckily, the transactions that we've done, and you can see in our previous 2 videos we've bought some S&P 500 and some VWRL. If you haven't checked out those videos, those are on our channel as well, so please watch them as well, where we show you how to really buy S&P 500 and VWRL, which is VWRL, for those of you that don't know, covers the all world. I think it's around 3,700 different companies all across the globe. But so we really think that on the reporting part, the reporting functionalities of the DEGIRO are fairly limited, which is sadly why we do give that a 1 out of the 3 stars. It's not too much info on your portfolio value over time. We're not really too happy about that. And then our overall review. Do we recommend it? Yes or no? Well, to be honest, yes, we do recommend it. We do think that the ease of use is great. It's quite affordable, especially with the commission-free list that they do have. Overall, we would say that yes, we would recommend it. Of course, you need to do your own research if it fits your own investing strategy, but if it does, then the DEGIRO might be a great solution for you to start investing. So we gave it an overall 2 out of 3 stars. Yes, we recommend it. So guys, we hope you liked this little quick review. If you have with any specific questions on how DEGIRO works as a broker platform or any specific functionalities you want us to explain to you, of course leave them down below. Also give this video a thumbs up if you appreciate this, and also subscribe if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Let's go.